Tim from High Drive Melbourne with a unique vehicle from one of our good customers, Waverley Forklifts. It's got a front ledge. It helps distribute the weight forward. We've got a compressor, we've got an air hose reel, and we've got gas tank storage on the other side. And then we've got the body after it. This is your standard gull-wing door. Seals at the top when it's open, gives you shade and shelter. That's a LED work light, which can be turned off, but very good area lighting. There's two fold down workbenches, and the customer's got this full of gear. This is a fold down vise, very fast setup, and we've got our remote start here for the compressor. Double cigarette socket. This item here is an oil drain bund, so used oil filters can just go straight in there to drain into the lower box, and then it goes into an oil bund underneath between the chassis rails, this is your drain here. They've got an extractor. So a conventional rear door lifts up, so it's sticking out here, and you can imagine a forklift, especially when the tines are elevated, it's trying to load something in here, it's going to collect the door, crush it. So they wanted a swing door instead. So it's right out the way, you can load the gear in and back out. We've got a little catch here so that holds it open. It's the wind. I also didn't want it any further than the side of the vehicle so that a forklift wouldn't take it off going past. Underneath we've got the rear roller drawer. Excellent use of otherwise unused space down between the chassis rails. It's got stage locking. It'll never just roll out on its own. And it's secure. So, moving round to the driver's side, we've got a witch's hat holder underneath. We've got a bifold door on this side. If you're parked on the street, you don't want it sticking out. Trucks driving past. Also very good for tight parking. You can get it open with a car 300mm away. Inside we've got our adjustable height shelving, and we've got a parts cabinet. These have got your removable inserts. That's a 4 high. We do a 2, 3, 4 and 5. And there's a lot of drawer options as well, but this is what suits this customer. Got another underbody box on the front, full length, excellent storage space. As you can see, the gas bottle holders here, we're aluminium tray, never going to rust even if you do penetrate the paint. And there's the other side of your compressor, the oil filter, regulator, ready for action. We've got a 6 kit of amber flashes here, so wherever you are, doors up or down, you can always see 2 flashes going. This light here is your high mount stop light. We've got a reverse camera under there, so she's fit for purpose.